one portion here in chapter 4 that is not particularly well supported, I don't think, but it is a tremendous design advantage for you as a web designer, is on page 124, and it's the span element. What a span element allows you to do is as follows. Rather than a div, which creates on the top and on the bottom a break, a span element says, do something inside of another element. So what we could do is as follows. We could give our corporate name, right? So if we are Rock Valley College, and every time you see Rock Valley College on a web page, I want that to be a little bit larger for the text, and I want that to be a little bit of a different color. Let's say a dark blue color with an underline on it. Now, I know that's bad design because the underline usually represents to one of the visitors to our website an external link someplace else, but let's just say for design's sake. What we could do instead of putting a div there, which remember a div would create a break on top and on the bottom, we would surround that tag in a span element. And what that'll do is it will enforce the rule that, rockvalleycollege.edu or Rock Valley College, our name or whatever it is, gets a different font face, a different font color, it gets a different font weight, a different font size. But what it does not do is force wrap or force, a break on top and on the bottom. And that's a huge deal. You're actually going to see it in the case studies for this chapter. At the end, the Pacific Trails Resort title, essentially, so it's called Resort, is used in a span so that you don't have to break before and after your element. So you'll use spans all the time because you'll want to create a change, but you don't want it to be a div where you would create breaks on top and on the bottom. So that's it. It's handy.